Hey everyone, this is Journey from CBD Inside, and today we're going to be talking about cooking with CBD. So CBD is definitely one of the most buzzworthy products on the market right now, and it comes with so many benefits like helping with anxiety, pain, inflammation, and depression. There are so many ways to consume CBD, but cooking with CBD is a great way to reap all those medicinal benefits. So let's get into it. So can you cook with all forms of CBD? There are so many varieties of CBD products. Some deliver CBD in oil and others deliver it in powder form. So you can use any form of CBD if you're using low heat or no heat, such as smoothies, salad dressings, and sauces. If you're using high heat, such as baking, you should use a stable product that's suitable for cooking. If a CBD oil is not crafted for cooking, it can cause a loss of terpenes. Terpenes are the aromatic compounds found in hemp and cannabis, and they work with CBD to boost the medicinal effects. What can you add CBD to? The options are really endless when it comes to cooking with CBD. You can add CBD to your morning coffee or tea, smoothies, your favorite cookie recipe, or even soups and pastas. It's really up to you. Keep in mind though that CBD binds well to fat and oil, and the effects of the CBD actually last longer when it's combined with the fat. So try to use CBD with a recipe that does contain some oil or fat. How much CBD should you use? Some products will have a recommended dose on the packaging, but not all of them do, so always start small. A dose of around 15 milligrams is a good place to start. Just remember that if you're making more than one serving, you will need to increase the dose of CBD. If you don't feel the effects of the CBD, you may need to increase the dose little by little. Can you store your CBD goodies? Always store your CBD and products made with it in a cool, dry place. Heat, light, and air may cause the degradation of cannabinoids and terpenes. If a good quality CBD oil is stored properly, it should maintain its effects for 18 months. And how long the goodies that you make last depends on what you make. How long will the effects of CBD last? Generally speaking, when you're consuming CBD orally, you should notice the effect within 30 minutes, and it should last between 2 to 4 hours. However, everyone processes CBD differently, so there are variations. But it is safe to take another dose as soon as the desired effects wear off. The options are really endless when it comes to cooking with CBD, and it can be really fun to add it to your favorite recipes. Just remember, always purchase high quality CBD from reputable brands. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.